Here we are in Harbor Springs, Michigan, a little airport. We stayed right next door at the Best Western last night and had a nice steak dinner nearby. But we're trying to get to Canada, which is not easy. Lots of red tape and I don't know how many phone calls, 25 at least. Even with pre-planning, when you try to do something, it doesn't seem to work out. But so our
software issues.
Our flight time today, I'll let the pilot tell you.
Well, we're flying to Sault Ste. Marie, Ontario, Canada. That's about a 35-minute flight. And I have to file with Homeland Security to tell them you're leaving the country with a website called EAPIS. And it wasn't working right. It's a long story. But anyway, hopefully won't be arrested when we land. And, so stay tuned. Harbor Springs traffic, Diamond 3 Del Sierra is departing runway 28. Right, turn out to the north, Harbor Springs.
Sault Ste. Marie Airport, information echo, weather at 1400 Zulu, wind 320 at 6, visibility 25, few clouds at 20,000, 26,000 scattered, temperature 18, dew point 14, altimeter 3028, IFR, approach, RNAV, runway 30, landing and departing, runway 30. Inform ATC that you have information echo.
Sault Ste. Marie Tower, Diamond Star 243, Delta Sierra, 14 to the south on the visual.
November 243, Delta Sierra, Sault Tower, good day, runway 30, wind 3105 knots, altimeter 3028. Report turning final for runway 30.
Okay, Canada in sight. You see the dotted line across the water?
I think I do actually. A dotted line right through the middle.
Wolf 103 medevac ground, the readback is correct. Break November 243 Delta Sierra Tower, wind 3005 knots, you're clear to land runway 30.
Clear to land 30, Diamond 300.
Delta Sierra Tower, exit right onto runway 04, and contact ground 121.7.
Sault Ste. Marie ground, Diamond Star 243, Delta Sierra just exited 30.
3 Delta Sierra ground, you can taxi runway 04, then Fox right into the apron. Are you just going to the parking of the tarmac, or where are you headed for parking?
We're going to customs.
Okay, roger, you can taxi to the apron here and just grab one of the yellow lines. The customs will come out to meet you. Delta Sierra, to ground runway 30, wind 2805 knots, altimeter 3027. Taxi via Golf, squawk 5352, contact tower 118, decimal 8, holding short.
Sault Tower, Diamond Star 243, Delta Sierra is holding short of 30, ready for eastbound.
3 Delta Sierra Tower, just hold short runway 30, there's traffic on final.
Holding short of 30 Diamond 3 Del Sierra.
Hotel Sierra Foxtrot ground taxi, Bravo then Charlie. Back to the college apron. Have a good day and congrats on the first solo.
Ah!
Taxi Bravo to Charlie. Thank you. Golf Taxi Foxtrot.
Three Delta Sierra Tower, line up weight runway 30.
Line up weight 30 Diamond 3 Del Sierra.
Reporting on right base for runway 30.
November 243 Delta Sierra Tower, be a right turn out eastbound, wind 2705 knots, clear takeoff, runway 30.
Clear for takeoff 30 over right turn, Diamond 3 Del Sierra.
Three Delta Sierra Tower, you're identified for 1,200 feet.
Toronto Center, Diamond Star 243 Delta Sierra.
3 Delta Sierra, go ahead.
Yeah, just departed Sault Ste. Marie en route Neuville City, Charlie November Victor 9, request flight following.
Okay, 3 Delta Sierra Squawk ident, you'll be identified at 3,200 VFR at all times.
3 Del Sierra, maintain VFR, squawk ident.
Présentement, votre 2 heures, 3 heures par 5000, direction Est, 2000 pieds non vérifiés.
Bien reçu, je départ visuel à l'adrénaline, se dirige vers l'aéroport.
J'ai aucune idée. Transat 200, quelle est votre vitesse indiquée?
236, Transat 200.
Transat 200, roger. Rouge 1965, reduce speed to 250 knots for sequence.
250 knots, Rouge 1965.
Well, we're descending into the Quebec City area, trying to get the weather.
1400 pieds, piste 293 1800 pieds. Avisé à cesser lors du contact initial si incapable de rester à l'écart.
Can't seem to get anything
que vous avez information Zulu. Québec renseignement Zulu. Météo à 1900 Zulu. Vent 320. Access. Vent variable entre 270 et 340. Visibilité
We're about 50 miles
300.
out.
6800 pieds épars. Température de 1.
Québec kilo, vent 290, 13 rafale 21.
There's two weathers, maybe one's in English. 1346.
340. Visibility 30 miles. 6,800 scattered. Temperature 21. Dew point 7. Altimeter 3004. Approach our nav Yankee or Zulu runway 29er. Landing and departing runway 24 and runway 29er. Taxiways Delta 2 and Delta 3 closed. Land and hold short operations in use. Landing distance available runway 24, 5,400 feet. Runway 29er 3,800 feet. Advise ATC on initial contact if unable to hold short. Inform ATC that you have information Zulu. Quebec information Zulu. Weather at 1900 Zulu. Wind 320 at 7.
Okay, we're just a few miles out from Newville. Newville traffic, Diamond 3 holder, base 24.
Newville, runway clear.
Merci. Newville traffic, Diamond 3 Sierra, final 24.
Those trees look close.
The wind is all over the place.
Is people also on vacation?
Are they going to their plane or coming?
No. Got her duffel bag.
Okay. Where's the pump?
Is it in the top there?
Oh.
I landed in this.
Diamond. We are, and Greg and I got the car, or whatever you call this, to ourselves.
Bye.